Papa, who is a CCA member, will be reading words from women and mothers currently incarcerated in the book. I'm Latasha, and I'm a member of CCA from Rochester, New York. Boo. I am married to Romel Lewis, who is currently serving 112 years to life sentence for something he did as a teenager. I fight every day his freedom and for the freedom of tens of thousands of other people trapped in New York's racist and unjust sentencing laws. Yeah. Every Mother's Day, we reach out to incarcerated women across New York to share their stories. This year, we received an avalanche of responses. Women spread the word amongst each other inside, eager for a chance to finally be heard. Their words are fierce, their pain is sharp, and their clarity is undeniable. 3 out of 4 incarcerated women are mothers. Many are single parents, the primary caretakers and breadwinners in their families. When mothers are taken away, their children do the time with them. The damage doesn't end with one sentence. It lasts for generations. Devin Wolcott Vincent is serving 20 years. She wrote this: I got 20 years for defending myself and my children in the death of our abuser. My children lost their innocence, and then they lost their mother. They were separated from each other. They are hurting, and I'm not there for them. I can't help their pain or kiss their boo-boos. I'm missing their first. I'm missing holidays. I'm missing birthdays. My kids need me, and I need them. When I say Devin Wolcott Vincent is ready, you say bring her home. Devin Wolcott Vincent is ready, bring her home. Janisha Brown, she's another mother. Janisha Brown is the mother of 8. She's a mother of 8 on a 6-year life sentence due to mandatory minimums from 2 and 3 straight laws. Her words are, being a mother in prison is like gasping for air. No matter how hard you try to breathe, feels like you never had enough. The second act means someone will finally ask to hear my story. Not just see me as an inmate, but someone living with mental illness and an addiction, trying to become a better mother. Taking a second look means seeing the person I become, not just my past, but the future I'm trying to shape. When I say Janisha Brown is ready, you say bring her home. Janisha Brown is ready. Bring her home. Now let's talk about the women who wanted to have children, but quicker, because extreme sentencing doesn't just punish people. It wipes out the futures they might have had. Kim Brown has been incarcerated for 31 years. She was arrested at 27. She's now 58. These are her words. Before being arrested, I did not want to have children. But in prison, I discovered how important it is to be unconditionally loved. I found I had the capacity to give that young people, and I saw them flourish. That sparked a slow burning desire in me to have a child of my own, a desire that would never become a reality. I was a young woman when I was arrested. Now I am old. When I get out, I'll be preparing for old age instead of building a family. And the older I get, the less time I have. When I say Kim Brown, You said bring her home. Hand home, steady. Bring her home. We know what justice looks like. It looks like mothers reunited with their children. It looks like elders returning home before their last breath. It looks like healing and accountability, not endless punishment. People change. Everyone deserves a second look. Everyone deserves the opportunity to earn their way home. Let's pass the second look at it and the earn time act now. Communities!